What's going on? Michael Petty here. So in this video, what I wanted to share with you, a simple strategy that pretty much anybody can do. You gotta have a budget for this strategy, but this is one of the fastest way to get leads flowing through your funnel, to get leads to your capture page. What you want to have is a lead capture page, right? You want to have that. You want to have a autoresponder that's attached to it that will send out emails or give you the opportunity to broadcast emails because you want to follow up with your prospects. The strategy is just as that. You want to find a lead source. I highly suggest you using Udemy. What this is, it's a place where you have an individual who has a huge list of opportunity seekers. Okay, you can go through and you can find someone that you want to use to run traffic. Okay, you can read over their information here. You buy the amount of clicks that you want to buy, right? Let's say you want to get 500 clicks, right? You set it to 500. Okay, you give them your link. Now you can also do an ad copy, but I highly suggest you giving them your link because they know their list better than you know their list. This is the amount that you're going to pay based on the date here, right? You click the day that you want to buy your traffic within 24 to 48 hours or the day that the traffic is set with. You're going to have a flow, you're going to have leads flowing through your lead capture page. So as individuals enter their name and email address, or if you also have a phone number, your autoresponder is going to start sending them information about what it is you have to offer. Or you can build your list. You can go in there, you can broadcast your list daily. That's one leading strategy. So how do you get people to take action? Now, one thing that I've learned that's very powerful when building your business is people have to connect with you. They have to see your face. They have to hear your voice. Okay? It's extremely powerful. If you realize all the top marketers have videos, they do trainings, they're on the phone, they always in front of the people, right? You got some people that want to post on social media, don't want to show their face, don't want to do video, just hope to post a link and hoping somebody's going to buy. You got people even using the strategy I shared with you. They're running traffic to a funnel, right? And even though you may have some of those individuals that slide through the cracks and actually make sales, the ones that really make the money, okay, are the ones that the prospect can get to know them in some type of way. They can see them, they can hear them. Even if you have pictures of proof, you can run back to your Facebook that you're constantly updating. But just think that you're going to just run traffic to a lead capture page, right? And have that lead capture page, as my wife learned them things, have that lead capture page and your autoresponder alone without your prospects seeing and hearing you personally. It's slim to a none chance in happening. Okay, you want to get out to people, you want them to see you. Multi-million-dollar corporations, okay, they shoot commercials, they have billboards, they have their logo. People constantly see them. They're in people's faces every single day. People think, oh, I want to go get that. I want to go to this place. They know about the place because it's constantly in front of them. So you want to use the same strategy constantly and get in front of your people. So you want to get traffic to your lead capture page. Have an autoresponder attached to it so you can send them an autoresponder campaign or broadcast a list or do both. So one easy way to really get out in front of people, if you have a blog, you can create a blog post. What you can also do is broadcast to your list your latest video. A powerful strategy I can share with you is if you do have a blog, take your YouTube channel video, put it on the blog, and broadcast that blog post out to your list. So get the leads to your lead capture page. That builds your list. Have an autoresponder attached to it. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel, broadcast that out to your list. But you want to get in front of people. You want them to see your face, even if you don't have a blog. If you have a Facebook, do a broadcast list out to your Facebook. You take a video that you did or a simple post that you did, get the link to that post and broadcast it out. But on Facebook, it's called Facebook for a reason. You want to have your face in the picture. Even if you do just a simple quote, put a picture of yourself behind it. It can be so simple as to just take a picture from your video. You can be driving down the street. Like I just took this picture outside. I was talking in the video. I just snapped a picture. Something simple. Driving down the road, take a picture of yourself in the car. Just something extremely simple. If you have a reel that you did, take the reel. Broadcast the reel out to your people. Just something that shows you. So when a person think about making additional money, they think of you. Just like you ride down the street, think you want some McDonald's because you saw that commercial, because you saw that billboard. When they think about making additional money, you want them thinking of you. So just use very simple strategies. These simple strategies work because people do business with people. So allow them to get to know you. My name is Michael Patty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next video.